So, welcome everyone. Today we have Arnav with us, who is a student at NLU Jodhpur. So, Arnav, would you like to introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, I am Arnav Laroya. I cleared CLAT 2021 and I am right now a student at NLU Jodhpur. I am from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and I like to read and like play football, table tennis. Yes.
Okay, so Arnav, what was your experience in CLAT 2021? पूरी journey कैसी थी एक बार वो बताओ.
The journey was like a mixed bag. Like kabhi kabad, it was very tough. Mostly depended upon mock scores and how my progress was going on. Like कभी mock scores अगर like उतने अच्छे नहीं आते थे, then like it would be hard to get over it and like start preparation again. But yeah, like with certain guidance and like जब पता चल जाता था कि कैसा रूट फॉलो करना है, like we get to know our mistakes and after that we work upon that, then like the journey becomes easier. So it is a mixed bag.
Okay, so कौन से subjects you found सबसे ज़्यादा easy in your preparation?
सबसे ज्यादा इजी आई फाउंड लाइक इंग्लिश. लाइक इंग्लिश का एक सेट क्राइटेरिया था, लाइक बेसिक्स थोड़े स्ट्रॉन्ग करने थे. लाइक वी हैड टू improve our vocabulary, so sources uske the and I worked upon it like with continuous revision. And then of course reading comprehension is now like a really important part of the paper as well, so reading newspapers also helped in that, and like uh, solving questions related to various GMAT or LSAT books, that also helped. And mocks also, they also really helped in like getting a hold of that subject.
Also, many aspirants ask कि न्यूज़पेपर रीड करने में टाइम थोड़ा ज़्यादा जाता है, तो वही टाइम हम किसी और सेक्शन में लगाएंगे तो थोड़ी तैयारी और बढ़ जाएगी. तो वुड यू रेकमेंड कि न्यूज़पेपर को स्किप करना चाहिए, रीड करना चाहिए, कुछ इंप्रूवमेंट होता है उससे, क्या कैसे?
Yes, sir. Like मैंने भी ये प्रॉब्लम पहले फेस करा था, लेकिन ओवर लाइक इफ यू आर रियली diligently reading the newspaper every day for a like a considerable amount of time, like let's say 2 to 3 months, and after that आपका reading duration कम हो जाता है, आपकी स्पीड बढ़ जाती है, you are able to like read more like and read more and understand better. Like eclectic reading की एक habit develop हो जाती है. So I think like newspaper is like it solves many problems. Like आपको current affairs में help करेगा, reading habit develop करेगा. And yes, I won't recommend कि आप newspaper को like leave करो. That is the mistake I made in my preparation during some of my months during the preparation. I won't recommend that. It will help really in almost every aspect of clearing CLAT.
Also, what were the subjects which you found the toughest, and उनमें improvement कैसे की?
The toughest subject I found was maths, as I was never really interested in maths and quant, and like ऐसा थोड़ा डर लगता था कि like बहुत ही ज़्यादा डर लगता था उस subject से. But yeah, over the period of preparation, I tried to get better at it. So like going through various YouTube videos and solving the main basic book of R.S. Agarwal. Of course, basic से शुरू करा था, like basic concepts, profit loss percentage, and over the course of the preparation फिर advance में गए थे. लेकिन हाँ, maths I countered some difficulty, but yeah, over the period of preparation it became well, like थोड़ा बहुत better हो गया था उसमें.
Also, throughout your preparation, कहीं ना कहीं your mental health also gets affected. So, how did you cope up with the same?
Yes, sir. So this basically happens in like January or February. This period like ये बहुत ज़्यादा बिल्कुल पीक पे हो जाता है जब like हम entrances के फॉर्म या सब कुछ भरते हैं. And right now at that time the main thing I did was that sometimes मैं पूरा ही 1-2 दिन के लिए break ले लेता था. Like that helped for me, क्योंकि कुछ ऐसे दिन होते हैं जब प्रिपेयर या पढ़ाई करने का मन ही नहीं करता है, तो उसमें लाइक इफ वी स्टडी, लाइक इफ वी फोर्स आवरसेल्फ, देन इट वोंट रियली be beneficial for us. So I used to do that. I used to talk to my parents, I used to talk to my mentors, like including you and Govind sir as well, and that helped, like, and like doing various things which we used to do a lot freely before we started preparing for CLAT. क्योंकि CLAT में एक rigid like एक अपन को एक सिनेरियो या फिर एक बेसिकली टाइम टेबल फॉलो करना होता है. उससे पहले जो मैं करा करता था, आई यूज्ड टू गो आउट टू प्ले फुटबॉल और समथिंग लाइक दैट, समथिंग रिक्रिएशनल, जस्ट टू टेक माय माइंड ऑफ. So that helped.
Okay. So how would you define the role of Success Boat, and how did we help you in the entire preparation?
Yeah. So basically, I joined, like I became part of Success Boat. Like I subscribed to Success Boat in March. And from that period of time, like we used to get various sessions, you used to conduct various sessions, and that really helped. Like the GK compendiums of Success Board, they were really important. Like they helped in our revision of various current affairs. The mock material provided by Success Board, I used to do every mock very religiously, and the main thing is analysis, so I used to do the analysis also, and that also helped me in various aspects, like getting to know कि कहाँ अभी और scope of improvement है. एक पॉइंट आ जाता है जब लाइक स्कोर तो आ रहा है लेकिन और जा सकता है, वो उसके आगे लाइक वो रुक गया है वो, तो दैट हेल्प Success Board that aspect also helped, and various sessions which you used to conduct, like how to keep your like mindset straight. Sometimes कभी ऐसा रहता है कि प्रिपरेशन छोड़ने का मन होता है वो, so those sessions helped me in that. And yeah, so Success Board had a really huge role to play in me clearing CLAT.
Okay, so did you attend the GP specials as well?
Yes sir, of course, like कभी कभार मिस हो जाता था, लेकिन जब भी मैं जीके स्पेशल अटेंड करता था, I used to take down like notes, and I used to combine them with all the monthly compendiums which Success Board used to share with us. And yeah, that really helped in our revision, because कभी कभार क्या होता है, newspaper you can read throughout the month, लेकिन it gets really exhausting to go revising newspaper again and again. So as Success Board compendiums like contained the most relevant news or relevant happenings, that really helped. And moreover, it was also in detail, like it covered every aspect of a particular news, so that really helped me for GK.
Okay, so last question, do you have any tips for the CLAT 2022 aspirants?
Yes, so basically it's a long journey. कभी सही रहेगा ये जर्नी, लाइक कभी ऐसा लगेगा कि एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग फाइन, एंड समटाइम्स इट वुड बी लाइक ऐसा लगेगा कि छोड़ना है, लाइक इट्स लाइक सम एक सैचुरेशन पॉइंट आ जाता है जब लगता है छोड़ना है. सो एट दैट मोमेंट ऑफ टाइम I would recommend to talk to the people around you, like don't give up, it's a tough journey, so sometimes that would help. And keep practicing mocks is the like most important thing, especially अब pattern change होने के बाद. Analyze them. Like one mistake I did was that in the last few days of my preparation, I used to give 3 mocks a day. So that was a very big mistake on my part, I think, because analysis का कोई time ही नहीं मिलता था, and moreover I was exhausted as well. And this happened in last month of preparation. Luckily, that didn't affect my result, but yeah, I would not recommend you to do that. Do mocks, like give mocks, do the analysis, thorough analysis, like analyze it for around 2 to 3 hours at least, just to get a basic idea about where are you going wrong and how to improve upon it. And yes, like do revision. The GK revision is the most important thing, because GK constitutes a very big part of CLAT, and mostly it is unpredictable as well, so you have to be aware of all the happenings which are very important in the contemporary world. So yeah, revision, practice, mocks, and basically maintaining your mental mindset, like that is also very important, because you will only be able to do all these things if you are able to maintain the right mindset. And if agar koi mock galat chala jata hai, then don't give up after that. That would really help. So yes.
Okay, so thank you so much, Arnav. Thank you for taking out your time. Also, I would like to just tell you one more thing. Okay, do not hesitate in asking anything to us in your next 5 years as well. So Success Board will be there for you throughout your law school. So thank you so much once again.
Thank you so much.